National Stadium Karachi, also known as Karachi Cricket Arena, is the second largest cricket stadium in Pakistan, situated in Karachi. The stadium will host 3 ODI matches between Pakistan and New Zealand. Pakistan is currently leading this ODI series by 2-0. Pakistan won the first ODI match by 5 wickets and also won the second ODI match by 7 wickets. In both of the matches, Fakhar Zaman knocked century and was also the player of the match. New Zealand lost both matches, but there are still 3 matches left. They might come back and win the series. National Stadium Karachi Pitch Report. The pitch of National Stadium Karachi is generally known for batting friendly and usually favors spin bowlers in ODI matches. The surface is quite flat and offers good bounce and easily carry to the bat, which allows batsmen to play good shots. The average score at this stadium in ODIs is around 260 to 270 runs. The team batting first have an advantage as the pitch slows down in the second inning. The bowlers can take advantage of it later in the match. National Stadium Karachi Weather Forecast. National Stadium Karachi Stadium is set to host 3 ODI matches between Pakistan and New Zealand, so weather is important for the players and the teams. According to the weather forecast, the maximum temperature will be about 37 degrees C whereas minimum temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius. The wind speed will be around 10 kilometers per hour and the humidity will be approx 61%. There is no chance of rain during these 3 ODI matches.